Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's healing meditation, you are guided to see yourself as the sun, illuminating your path ahead, creating clarity so that choices become easier, directions to take become easier, life becomes more joyful in these moments of deep interconnection with our divinity. Enjoy today's meditation. Let's jump into today's meditation. Close your eyes and bring your outer gaze inward. Take a deep breath into your heart. We set the intention today of healing, clarity, connection, alignment, wisdom, and illumination. Let us take a deep breath into illumination. Thinking about illumination, we can imagine the sun illuminating the earth. We can visualize the beautiful rays of the sun shining down upon us and our earth, warming us, providing energy and what we need to survive and thrive and grow and expand. When we take a deep breath, we can visualize these beautiful sun rays soaking in to our skin. And as we exhale, we can visualize ourselves becoming the sun. We can take a deep breath and visualize these sun rays coming through us, a channel of the sun through our bodies, out our feet, into the earth. And as we exhale, we see the sun energy grow stronger within us until we are perfectly encircled by the golden sun. And as we think about our day ahead, we can know that we are the sun. We are illuminating the path ahead. In your mind's eye, see this beautiful path ahead. See your feet firmly planted on this path. And when you look ahead, you know that this human experience is an experience of ups and downs and twists and turns and rocks and bumps and hills and valleys. Yet in this moment, we know we are the sun. The path ahead is illuminated. And in this experience of humanity, because we have chosen in this moment to be the sun, because we choose in our moments of reflection, meditation, connection to nature, because in those moments we consciously feel this golden light within us, this path ahead is illuminated, and we can move through this path with ease, with much greater ease. We can almost move like a floating bubble or a floating cloud over these twists and turns and rocks and bumps and hills and valleys. We become softer, able to handle whatever life brings our way, because we acknowledge we are the sun. Our divinity shines bright within us and around us toward the path ahead. In your days ahead, visualize yourself as this beautiful sun. And when you do so, know that you have clarity. Choices become clear. Directions to choose become clear. Life becomes joyful. And we are meant to live a joyful life. And a joyful life is found and discovered from the inside, from our connection with loving source energy. From our beautiful appreciation of this life, this gift. The joy is found in deep appreciation. The joy is found in knowing our divinity. The joy is found in the healing, in the connection with others. In your mind's eye, you see yourself standing on this path, and just beyond you, you can feel your spiritual support team, your guides, your guidance, love, your angels, beings of love and light, spirit animals. Love surrounds you. Take a deep breath and feel yourself receiving this divine love. It comes from the inside out and from the outside in. We are love. We receive love. We give love. We share love. We are in the constant flow of love energy, and these moments of meditation, illumination, concentration, relaxation. And we say thank you. This week we meditate on the sun. Give thanks for the sun within us and around us. We feel the warmth of love always surrounding us as we move through our days ahead. When you feel ready, you can wiggle your fingers and your toes. Come back to your heart, your sun, your eyes. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes or so to give yourself a chance to write, to express, to move energy, to release, to continue to heal and become aware of the wisdom within you. Enjoy this beautiful process. Much love, and I'll see you next time.